Full can, fresh paint, new life. The first stroke, the first cry. Brushing, 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 aminate, brushing, brushing. A fresh new canvas. No mistakes, vibrant, bright new colors. Childhood, happy, smooth, innocent. Teenager, brush strokes are now bumpy, not so smooth, but I think it will be okay. Young adult, experimenting with drugs and alcohol, still pretty bumpy. 2 years later, I'm scared my paint is gonna run out. Adulthood, I keep painting and trying. My paint is turning grey and my bucket is running out. The vibrance is dimming down and all I want is a new canvas. New can of paint, fresh. The first new stroke was not from me. It was bright, prominent, and gave me something I have not had in a long time. Happiness. The person who gave me this was my daughter. All these years my colours have been dead, dark, thick, dry and disgusting. But when my daughter came in my life she revived it. 30 years later. It has been 30 years, my paint has been running out, but my colour is still bright, prominent, and now my grandkids are painting my canvas. Until my paint finishes colour, vibrant, bright, colourful, beautiful, life gone, and now I'm left with a full canvas. And on this canvas is my life, from childhood to now, all my greatest moments and darkest moments on this canvas.